Do you think mastering machine learning has to be time consuming, overwhelming, and complicated? Or it has to involve complex mathematics and equations? Or perhaps it requires a degree in computer science? Well, that's not exactly the case. All you need to master machine learning is for someone to explain things to you in a simple, intuitive terms. And that's exactly what I do. My mission here is to change machine learning education and how complex data science topics are taught. Welcome to the Machine Learning Plus University, the most clearly explained ML learning path online today. Here, you will learn how to successfully and confidently apply machine learning to your work, research, and projects. Just like an actual university, you will get access to a comprehensive and structured set of self-paced courses along with query support. So, why Machine Learning Plus University? Unlike other courses which are created once and never updated, I keep the Machine Learning Plus University up to date by releasing a brand new course every month. A new course every month ensures you keep up with the state of the art in machine learning and be updated on new algorithms and techniques. Also, unlike other scripted courses, all the lessons in Machine Learning Plus are naturally spoken and without fluff. You will find it to be very interactive, just like listening to your favorite teacher in class, and it makes the learning almost effortless and really fun. You will understand the concepts deeply and will help you to retain them forever. Having said that, unlike other academic theory classes, you will be taught by a practicing data scientist, which by the way is myself, and I will show you how to apply the concepts in practical, real-world ML problems. Next, I have set up a responsive querying mechanism where me and my team are just a click away to answer all your queries within a day. Actually, within a few hours for simple queries. Finally, you will get a verified certificate for every course and skill you acquire, which you can publish in your professional network. Alright, let's take a quick look at what happens after you enroll. So after you enroll, you get access to the structured learning paths plus access to all the industry project courses solved on practical data sets, plus all future courses as well. You will get detailed video tutorials for every lesson, high quality, well-documented source code with line-by-line explanations, ensuring you know exactly what the code is doing. You will also be getting Jupyter notebooks along with the courses that are pre-configured to work with Google Colab. You will also be getting downloadable data to try the codes and models hands-on. And finally, a quick response query support system where the questions are guaranteed to be answered within 24 hours and typically much earlier than that. I guarantee that no question will be left unanswered. Machine Learning Plus University is without a doubt the most engaging, in-depth machine learning education online.